Presenting Tecno Phantom V Fold 5G smartphone. It is available in black color. Built with 12GB RAM and 256GB storage. It supports 15 5G bands. This full-size fold phone comes with 7.85-inch 2K LTPO display and 6.42-inch Full HD+Sub-display. The display features 120Hz refresh rate, dual LTPO, AMOLED and CG Victus strong protection. Now let us look at its 50MP telephoto, 50MP main, 13MP ultra-wide rear camera. It also comes with 32MP and 16MP selfie camera to help you capture your moments. Built with MTK Dimensity 9000 Plus processor for smooth, uninterrupted experience. Experience best battery life with 5000 mAh battery powered by 45 watts in-box charger. The box includes smartphone, 45 watts power adapter, Type-C cable, TPU cover and SIM ejector tool. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay, net banking and cash on delivery. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information visit the product detail page. Keep shopping with Amazon.